The extent of the damage from the mRNA injections, both direct and indirect, is literally catastrophic. Catastrophic. And I'll go through the few main categories of harm that it has caused among the population. Number one is obviously, as we all know now, is excess deaths. And like you just mentioned, Rancourt and colleagues, they did estimate around 17 million deaths from the mRNA injections as of September 2023. That's worldwide. Here in America, we do have some estimations of the first year for mRNA injection deaths between 480,000 and 600,000. One of those is based on an extrapolation of a recent preprint that just came out. Florida Surgeon General Joe Ladapo is the senior author,
Right.
as well as VAERS extrapolations, because we know there's about almost 40,000 deaths in VAERS linked to the COVID shots, and that's underreported by a conservative factor of around 31. It could be as high as 100, which would basically put us in the millions of deaths here in America alone. So we know this excess death situation is a major catastrophe, and it has surpassed casualty levels of world wars, including World War I, World War II, and the Vietnam War. Or you can also look at the Civil War. That was around 600,000 American deaths. So this is very bad, but it's not just deaths, it's permanent disabilities, it's injuries. These shots we now know are cardiotoxic without a doubt.
Right.
You have myocarditis, you have cardiac arrests, you have coronary artery disease. We know it's disastrous for the brain, it's neurotoxic. It's now been linked to 86 neuropsychiatric adverse events in a study by Thorpe and colleagues using the VAERS system. mRNA and vaccine spike protein has been found in the brain of stroke patients 17 months after vaccination. So it's damaging the brain, damaging the heart, and it's extraordinarily bad for the hematological system. So your blood, we know it induces blood clotting. That's why AstraZeneca's was probably pulled off the market. They claimed it was pulled off because nobody was getting it, but it was linked to vaccine-induced immune thrombotic thrombocytopenia, which is fatal. Right. Same thing with Johnson & Johnson. That was removed pretty quickly. So it damages the entire system. And we even now know that it damages the kidneys, right? It damages the gastrointestinal system. There's thousands of studies now outlining all of this. It has harmed so many things among the population. It's unthinkable they're still being fully approved. Now, one more thing is carcinogenicity, right? These shots we now do definitely believe are carcinogenic. There's over 100 studies now indicate that there's about 17 different ways, distinct mechanisms that these mRNA shots may cause cancer. So many things, and we got to start reversing this damage and healing the population from what has been inflicted upon them.